Now here's your hourly planner, 22 by 9 a.m. That cloud cover starting to break up just a little bit by noontime, some sun peeking out. 24 degrees. By 3 o'clock, we warm up, if you want to say warm up, to 26 for our daytime high. And then the clouds start to roll in ahead of that new system by about 9 o'clock. Here's 9 in the morning. Storm predictor showing that cloud cover starting to break up. And by noontime, we're dry and we're good. The wind will still be blowing pretty breezy, so our temperatures are going to still feel cool throughout the afternoon and into the evening. Here's